Welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. Hello students, I am Aarti Sharan. Today I am going to give you the question answers of Weathering the Storm in Arsama. The first question is, what havoc has the super cyclone wreaked in the life of the people of Orissa? The super cyclone devastated everything in Orissa. It washed the houses away and destroyed hundreds of villages. It killed thousands of people, animals, and cattle and uprooted a large number of trees. There were dead bodies all around. People became homeless for days on end. They were stranded on rooftops or other shelters without food. People suffered from hunger and starvation. Many children who had lost their parents became orphans. This crazed destruction continued for the next 36 hours. The condition seemed grim after the super cyclone. The second question is, how has Prashant, a teenager, been able to help the people of his village? The answer is, on reaching his village, Prashant found deplorable conditions all around him. He had leadership qualities, so he took the initiative to rehabilitate people. He made a team of young volunteers and went to the merchant to force him to part with rice. The team cleaned urine, filth, vomit, and floating carcasses and tended to the wounds of the people. His team was fully dedicated to serve others. He persuaded women to work for an NGO which gave food for work and also asked grief-stricken women to look after orphan children. His leadership helped in awakening people to fight with the after effects of the super cyclone. The third question is, how have the people of the community helped one another? What role do the women of Kalikuda play during these days? The answer is, Prashant took the initiative and mobilized everyone to help one another. In this time of distress, the people of the community joined hands together and started relief work. Women started working in the Food for Work program and looked after orphans. The youth got together to clean and tidy the shelter. The children were made to lie down on the sand with empty utensils on their stomach to communicate to the passing helicopters that they were hungry. Question number 4 is, why do Prashant and other volunteers resist to plan to set up institutions for orphans and widows? What alternatives do they consider? Prashant and other volunteers resisted the plan as they felt that it would not be proper to send orphans and widows to the government-sponsored institutions. The group of volunteers was in the opinion that in these institutions, children would not be able to get love and widows would suffer from stigma and loneliness and isolation. The group decided to rehabilitate them in their own community. New families were made and childless widows took care of the orphans. Question number 5 is, do you think Prashant is a good leader? Do you think young people can get together to help people during natural calamities? Yes, answer is undoubtedly. Prashant is a good and effective leader. He has all the qualities of a leader. He has a special quality of taking initiatives. His vision is quite clear. He faces adverse circumstances courageously. He is a source of energy for others and has great motivational power. Yes, the second part of the answer is yes, young people can get together to help people during natural calamities. They are the real power, and this power can be used to assist society during natural disaster. Whatever job is assigned to the youths in such circumstances, they perform their duties with full spirit. So I have completed the question answers of this chapter. Thank you.